Now we are going to what is known as Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. I'll explain to you this Bayes theorem without stating what is the theorem. Okay. Imagine I have a bag containing 5 red ball and 4 white ball. Another bag have 3 red ball and 5 white ball. One ball is taken from this bag and put into this. Then a ball is drawn from this. This is your experiment 1. This is your experiment 2. If I take the tree diagram of this, there are 2 possibilities for first experiment.
Yes, sir.
Either you can transfer red
or white.
or you can transfer white. If you transfer red, the new sample space will have 4 red and 5 white. If you transfer white, the new sample space will have
3 red,
3 red and 6
white.
Now there are 2 possibilities. One is you can get a red after red is transferred. You can get a white after white is transferred.
White is transferred.
You can get a red after white is transferred. Oh, here I made a mistake.
Yes, sir, it will be
White
red is
when red
transferred.
is transferred.
Yeah, your white is transferred and then you can get red.
Red or your
White is transferred.
White is transferred.
white will.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is the tree diagram of this experiment. All of you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here I'll put the bag for this also. 5 red and 4 white. Now I'm going to write their probabilities. Probability of red transfer, that means selecting red from this. Tell me what is the probability of red transferred?
It should be 5 by 9.
5 by 9. When you say transferred means selecting it from here.
Okay.
Probability of white transferred,
4 by 9.
4 by 9.
4 by 9. After a red is transferred, chance of getting again red.
It will be 4 by
4 by 9.
4 by 9.
Yeah. Chance of getting white.
6 by 9.
5 by
5 by 9. 5 by 9.
Acha, from
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. 3 by 9
9.
and 6 by 9.
6
6
by
by
9.
You will notice that some of this is 1, some of this is 1, some of this is 1. Now my question to you is, it is known that you got a red ball in the second draw. What is the chance that white was transferred? What is my question? It is known that in the second draw you got a red ball.
Okay.
What is the probability that white ball was transferred? Whose probability are you calculating in this problem? What is the probability that white is
Are
transferred?
given W transfer. Yes, sir.
Yeah, given that red is transferred. Till now I was talking about, this used to be the result of the second experiment. But in this problem, this is a result of the first experiment. Result of the first given the second. That's what this question is. So what is my question? Probability of white being transferred after knowing that we got a red ball. Is it okay? Now let's go by formula. It is probability of WT intersection R divided by probability of R. Can you tell me the logical meaning of this? It means possibility of all possibilities of getting red is the denominator, and numerator is possibility of getting red after white is transferred. What are the possibilities of getting red? Just tell me what are the possibilities of getting red. One is red is transferred and then get a red ball. This branch.
Yes, sir.
This is one possibility.
And white is transferred, then you get red.
Another possibility is white is transferred and then get red. These are the 2 possibilities of getting red. So I'm going to write this as WT intersection R divided by probability of red means all possibilities of getting red. One is white
Probability
is,
of R.
red is transferred and then get red,
Red is transferred.
plus probability of
White is transferred.
White is transferred and getting red.
Then that is equal to probability of white transferred into probability of red given white transferred divided by
transferred.
probability of red transferred and then getting a red plus probability of white transferred and then getting a red.
Red. Given that white is transferred.
So now you will put your probability white transferred 4/9.
4/9 plus
Getting a red 3/9 divided by red transferred 5/9
5/9
5/9.
then getting a red 4/9
4/9.
plus whatever the numerator something.
White transferred is 4/9.
Did you understand?
yes
This
Yes,
is what is known as Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem calculates probability of the first experiment, the result of the first experiment, given that second experiment result. Probability of result of first,
process.
given that result of second. Till now we were doing probability of result of second given first. But Bayes theorem, probability of result will come numerator, given will come the experiment
Denominator.
second. Is it clear to you?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So write down. If the experiment one, if the random experiment one has results, okay, has events A1, A2, etc. AN are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. That means they do not have anything common. Experiment, random experiment 2 has an event B in it. So experiment 2 has got many results, but we took only one event B. Then probability of AI given B. AI stands for out of this one of them. A1, A2, AN, how much are there? One of them is equal to probability of AI into probability of B given AI divided by sigma P of, okay, I'll use some other letter here. K I'll use K here. Use K here. Where I is equal to 1 to n. कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
So can you explain it?
Whatever I've done here, the same thing only. How many branches here we have?
2 branches.
2 branches. How many branches this will have? 1, 2, 3. Like this. AN, A1, A2, A3. Like that, AN branches are there.
Okay.
Then this will have only 2 cases.
Yes.
Probability of B given A1 or don't have B don't happen. Probability of B given A2. Probability of B given A3 like that.
A3. Yes.
Many will be there.
Probability of B given AN.
One out of this is AK.
Okay.
What is the probability? It is known that event B has taken place. What is the probability that AK had happened in experiment 1? So probability
Okay,
of
understood, sir.
AK given B is equal to probability of AK into probability of B given AK divided by all possible ways of B occurring. What is all possible ways of B occurring? 1, 2, 3, like that many are there. All their probability. So experiment 1 has events A1, A2, etc. AN are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. That means they do not have any common. A1 and A2 will not have any common, and their union will be the whole sample space. If you add their probabilities, you will get 1. Do you have test book in front of you? Do you have exercise 9.4 first question? There are 3 bags, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. One of the bag is chosen at random and a marble is picked up from chosen it. What is the probability that chosen marble is red? This we have already done. This is not Bayes' theorem.
This is the previous sum exercise.
The previous exercise. Okay, anyhow, can you draw the diagram for tree diagram for this?
Yes, sir.
What are the 3? What is the first experiment?
Bag 1 contains 75.
No, select stop bag. First experiment is select stop bag. What are the bags can be? Bag 1.
Or bag 2.
All of you draw with me. Write what are the things in this? Each contains 100. 75 red.
And 25 blue.
25 blue. Bag 2 contains
60 red.
40. Bag 3 contains 45 red and 55. Now tell me, what are what you call this first result? Drawing a red ball given that bag 1 is selected. Drawing a red ball given that bag 2
When
is
the
selected.
bag 2 is selected.
Drawing a red ball and bag 3 is selected. Now all of you write the probability of each one. Probability of B1, probability of B2, probability of B3.
B1, B2 and B3 all should have 1/3 probability, no?
Their all probability will be 1/3. 1/3, 1/3. Now probability of getting selecting red.
75 by 100.
75 by 100. Which you can write as 3/4.
3 by 4.
Probability of selecting red, 60 by 100.
3 by 100.
How much
3
that
by
become?
5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5, sir.
45 by 100. 9 by 20.
9 by 20.
Now you tell me, what is the probability of choosing a red ball, marble? What are the different ways of getting a red marble? Tell me. How do you get red marbles? Tell me the branches of obtaining red marble. Don't take only this and add the probability. From experiment beginning, you have to start. Selected bag 1 and then get a red. That means 1/3 into 3/4.
Okay.
Plus, next possibility.
1 by 3
B2 is
into
selected and then get
3
red.
by
1/3 into 3/5.
Selecting bag 3 and
Yeah. Selecting bag 3 and getting red.
9 by 20.
Add all this, you get the answer. Have you written yourself? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So how
Yes.
do you write the statement for the last one? Probability of getting red is equal to probability of B1 intersection R plus probability of B2 intersection R plus probability of B3 intersection R. These are the 3 ways of obtaining a red ball, which is equal to P of B1 into P of R given B1 plus P of B2 into P of R given B2 plus P of B3 into P of R given B3. Then put the values. 1/3 into 3/4, plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 into 1 by 3 into 9 by 20. Now calculate this and write your answer. This is a probability of getting red. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll, okay. Read question number 2 and draw the diagram. Question number 2 and draw the diagram. A box contains 2 blue, 3 pink. Another box contains 4 blue, 5 pink. One ball is drawn at random from one of the 2 boxes and found to be pink. Find the probability that it was drawn from the first box. First question, it was drawn from the second box. So what is the first experiment?
Selection of that.
Selection of bag. So make it selection of bag. One minute, I need more space. So here, make a one branch selection of bag box. This is your first experiment. What are the possibilities? Box A,
First box.
let us call it as A box and B box. If A is selected, what are the sample space for that?
2 blue and 3 pink.
3 pink. If B is selected, 4
blue and
blue.
six
4
white.
blue and 5 pink.
Now, what are the two possibilities? Either B given A happens or P given A will happen. After selecting box A, you can select blue. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Or after selecting A, you can select pink.
It will be blue.
Pink.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Box number will have A1 and A2.
Ah.
Otherwise, you will have a confusion. So box blue is selected, given box A2 is selected.
Yes.
Pink is selected, given A2 is selected.
A2 selected.
Now fill up the probabilities there. All of you have drawn this diagram.
Yes, sir.
Now fill up the probabilities.
Yes, sir.
Probability of box A1 selected. What is the probability?
1 by
boxes
2.
are- 1 by 2. Most of the time, this probabilities will be equal.
Equal, yeah.
Not every time, but this probability is equal. Now probability of getting blue,
Blue.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
Naturally, there will be 3 by 5. You don't have to calculate.
4 by 9.
4 by 9. And this
5 by 9.
5 by 9.
Now, what is known to you? One ball is drawn at random, one of the 2 boxes, and found to be pink. So tell me, what is the probability of pink? That means probability of getting P.
Yes, sir.
What are the different ways of getting pink ball?
Well,
Tell me.
A1.
From beginning, you have to say, you cannot start staying from here. From here,
Okay.
you have to start.
So 1 by 2.
Select.
No, you talk in box A1 is selected.
Box A1 is selected, then pink ball is drawn.
Correct.
Plus box A2 is selected, then pink ball is drawn.
Yeah. Whatever you spoke, we wrote it in notation.
Okay, sir.
Now, probability of A1 into probability of P given A1 plus probability of A2 into probability of P given A2. Divide, that is equal to, tell me, fill up and tell me. 1 by 2 into 3 by 5, 1 by 2 into 5 by 9. These are the possibility of getting pink. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your question? Find the probability that it was drawn from first box. So your question is, your first box, your answer is probability of first box. What is the notation for first box? A1.
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 A1 given P. That is probability of A1. I'll write it over here. I don't have space to write it. So write here required probability. Required probability. Actually, this was not necessary to calculate at once, but that is, I just did it so that to make you understand. Probability, it is known to you that pink ball was drawn. What is the chance it was from the box 1? Whosoever probability you have to calculate, that will be the numerator. You heard me that properly?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Now you will put the formula. Probability of A1
A1
intersection P
intersection upon
upon
probability of P.
Now, if you are not calculating this separately, directly you can start filling the formula. So probability of A1 into probability of P given. Okay, one more step in that. That is probability of A1 intersection P. Now, what do you mean by probability of pink? All possible ways of getting pink.
All the possibilities.
One is box A1 is selected and get pink. Another is box A2 is selected and then get pink.
So we calculated that there now.
We have calculated, but next time onwards, I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
I'm going to directly from here, I'll start the problem. I will not write this separately. Okay, now this, of course, you have calculated, so you may write it directly. But I want you to learn like this. After you have become expert, you don't have to write this. Directly from here, you can write this. You don't have to write this between steps. So 1/2 into 3/5 divided by 1/2 into 3/5 plus 1/2 into 5/9. Now 1/2 will get cancelled. So numerator will be only 3/5. Denominator will be 3/5 plus 5/9. All possible ways of getting pink is down, and getting the pink through a box A is numerator. So 3/5 divided by 27 plus 25 upon 45. So this will cancel 9 times 27 divided by 52. I hope you're understanding.
Yes, sir.
This is the last part of the chapter, which is to be understood properly. 2 experiment problems there. See, 2 experiment problems has got 2 questions. One is find the probability of pink. Another is, it is known that you got pink ball. What is the chance box A1 was selected or box A2 was selected? Can you tell me what will be the change for question number, second part of the question? What will be the numerator here?
Sir, A2 intersection P.
So it will be 1/2 into 5/9 here.
Yes, sir.
That's all the difference. So that you will do as homework. If you draw the tree diagram, this chapter will be very easy.
Yes.
What is experiment 1? You have to identify. Then you have to identify different possibilities of experiment 1. Then draw the branches, followed by whatever the second experiment. First branch, followed by second experiment. Second branch, followed by the second experiment. How many branches you can have here? Depending on the question, you can have many branches. All of you followed?
Yes.
So what is the first thing in this problem? Selection, place of selection. That means the women whom we are selected belongs to which? Within the town, outside the town. Then second experiment is selected people are graduate or not. So the graduate selected within the town is 48%. Not graduate is 52%. People who belong to outside the town, graduate are 83% and not graduate are 17%. Because total year should be 1, total year should be 1, total year should be 1. So what are the things that you have to know? Probability of A within the town. The lady, the woman who is selected from the hostel What is the chance she belongs to the town? 1/4. Which belongs not in the town? 3/4. Graduate within the town? 48/100. Graduate given that not from the same town? 83/100. Now last part. Find the probability that the woman selected should be a graduate given that she is from the same town. So it is known that she is a graduate. What is the probability that they belong to the same town? That means from Mira Road. So probability of T intersection G upon probability of G. What do you mean by probability of G? All possible ways of selecting a graduate. One possibility is belongs to the same town and a graduate, or belongs to outside the town and a graduate. So that's the denominator. Now calculate it. So like this question, when the word given is not given, so here from means given. It is known to you that the selected lady is a graduate. What is the probability that she belongs to the same town? So did you complete it? Probability 1/4.
Into 48/100.
48/100.
Same thing repeated in the denominator
Always
once.
you notice that one of them will be repeated.
Yeah. Plus 3/4 into 83/100.
So 400 is LCM. Numerator is 48. 48 plus 83. So 48 upon 131. Correct, no?
Sir, 88
Plus
What happened?
into 3 should come now.
Into 3. Into 3 also here. Okay. 3 into 83. So 48 plus
Upon
249. How much that became?
297.
Then 16/99.
48/297.
We can reduce it further.
So reduce it further. .4. Question number 3. 16/99.
99.
Okay, we'll stop with this much. This topic is